In this video, we're going to review Fluently AI. So Fluently is an actual AI English tutor. This has a lot of reviews with around 4.3 ratings out of 5. Some users report that it's actually a fantastic application that can help improve English skills, corrects, and help people to actually get acquainted and learn more with English grammar and the likes. So it has great reviews, and consumers highlight the AI tutor's ability to adapt to their needs, offering personalized corrections and creating a comfortable learning curve. So, as well as other people, they are quite surprised by the efficiency of this software, and it has gathered to actually be the best tutor application all the way. However, some users also reported that although it's a good app and very interesting, there are some cases that they are repeating the information given, which other users doesn't like. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.